I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded a video, but I've got some cool things coming. I've been working on the Introduction to Real Estate Photography course. It's kind of a complete beginner's guide to real estate photography. So if you're interested in that, that's coming soon. I have finished the entire script and I'm going to start I'm going to start filming and then editing and then release. It'll be pretty quick. But I wanted to make this quick video because the last few weeks I've had this job that kept getting pushed back and pushed back. It's actually a drone job. So if you are doing obviously real estate photography and you have a drone and a drone license and you're certified with your Part 107 and all that, you can do commercial drone work. But how do you do that? Do you just have your real estate photography business website? I don't recommend it. So I have two websites. I've got my real estate photography website and then I have my drone photographer's website. So my domain is just dronephotographers.com or mycitydronephotographers.com. So that would be the best way to do something like that, where if you're trying to do both real estate and other drone work. There was a pretty massive flood near my city a couple of years ago, or last year now. And so I was hired by Caltrans to do the daily inspections of the bridge. So it was like a 2-week thing where I had to fly the drone under and then go in a circle and take pictures of all the structure so they could cross compare to see if it was losing integrity, to see if they needed to do repairs. And indeed they needed to do repairs. So those types of jobs come up, but you have to build your website in a way that facilitates those types of things, your drone website specifically. So your real estate photography website, I wouldn't recommend having like your real estate section and then like your regular drone section. I don't think that's a good idea. I think it should be two separate things. It doesn't have to go too crazy, but it'd be in your best interest to learn a little bit about search engine optimization, SEO, so you can show up for things like aerial inspections or roof drone pictures or whatever you need to do. Because this one, it's kind of a niche job. This contractor reached out to me for this old theater that's in my area or the city next to where I live, because it's going through like a restoration, but on the windows there was like this custom fascia that has just withered away with time, but there's old pictures of it. So he's headed there. I just got off the phone with him. He's headed there now and he's going to drop scales next to the windows. And then I'm going to take some super close-up pictures with my drone of the window with his scale so that he can accurately recreate those fascias to restore the building. So I'm not too sure how you would create that in SEO form. Maybe it would just be something like aerial inspection work for contractors, aerial inspection work for roofers, aerial inspection work for construction builders, that kind of stuff. So you'd have in your area, so it would be like, let's say you're in Seattle, Washington, it'd be Seattle aerial roof inspection or Seattle aerial XYZ. So you have to plug it in a way that makes sense on your website. I know this doesn't really have anything to do with real estate photography, but it was relevant because I'm headed to do a drone shoot right now. So it made sense. And this inquiry came from my drone website, not my real estate photography website. So that's all. I've got a video coming out relatively soon that's titled How to Make Your First $10,000 a Month Doing Real Estate Photography, or something like that. It's kind of a long title, maybe $10,000 a month in real estate photography, ? And that's going to be kind of another whiteboard video where it goes through the more detailed of like, okay, if these are your prices, these are the types of services that you can do, these are the bundles that you can do, these are the types of realtors to go after, and here's how many shoots you're going to need to do with expenses as X, Y, and Z to get to that number. So that's coming out next. I hope you look forward to that. But channel's been growing pretty crazy. I mean, I'm like 716 subscribers as of right now. I haven't uploaded in like 6 days, and I went from like 685 to 716 or whatever. So maybe I'll just stop uploading altogether and just let it grow. No, obviously not going to do that. But the course is going to be finished soon, and if you're interested in the course, it's whatever dollar amount it is, it's going to be prorated. Like if you end up wanting to do coaching because of the course, because I'm building the course to be a logical progression into coaching. Obviously, if you do the course, you don't have to do coaching, but if you choose to do coaching, you'll just get the whole amount that you paid for the course prorated for the coaching program. So like it won't be like, oh, you purchased the course so you can get 20% off of the coaching program. No, it's going to be the whole amount that you spend on the course will just be taken off the dollar amount for the coaching program. So look forward to that. I got the script done a whole lot faster than I expected to. I just have to go through and edit it a bit and then film it and then upload it. And that's pretty much it. So that's all I've got for this video. I'm going to be doing some more studio style videos rather than the in-person shoots videos, because I had 5 shoots yesterday and I had to bring my kids with me because my babysitter bailed. Luckily, so it was a triplex and a duplex, so it was 5 total units, 5 individual floor plans, 5 units of photos, all that. And I didn't leave my kids in the car, I just brought them in with me. And they did really good. Obviously, they were super curious about the entire thing. And it was nice to see that, like, I can bring them on shoots if I absolutely need to. You know, if a babysitter bails or something like that. But obviously, it's not ideal. But yeah, I'm going to be doing more in-studio videos just because I've got a lot of scripts that I've written for really valuable content that I need to put out. So that's coming next. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.